questions. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about method of variation of parameters. Shortly, we call it as MBP method. In particularly, this method is useful, very useful to finding the general solution of the second order equation. The general form of the second order equation is d square y by dx square plus a1 into dy by dx plus a2 into y is equal to capital X. Here x is a function of x. It may be exponential, trigonometric or algebraic term. So this final solution consisting of complementary function as well as particular integral. After finding the complementary function by using the as usual formulas, we need to write that as c1 into f1 plus c2 into f2. That means the first constant coefficient we must want to take it f1. The second constant coefficient is f2. Likewise, we need to choose f1, f2 in the complementary function itself. So next we move on to the particular integral. The formula is p into f1 plus q into f2. Here itself in the complementary function itself we got f1, f2, but we need p and q for completing the particular integral. So before we move on, so we need to know what is Wronskian. The notation is capital W, which is equal to determinant of f1, f2. Only two functions we are having here, f1, f2, the corresponding derivative in the second row. After solving this determinant, I will get f1, f2 dash minus f2 into f1 dash. This must be non-zero value. Then only we can able to find p and q. Then p dot I is here. So for that, I need p and q. P formula is minus integral f2 into capital X by Wronskian value. Here capital X is an RHS given in the given problem RHS value. Q is equal to integral f1 into capital X by Wronskian. So these two are the p and q formulas. After replacing p and q in the particular integral formula, we will get the complete solution is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral is in the form. Let us move on to the problem under this category. Solve d square y by dx square plus 4y is equal to 4 into tan 2x. Here, not only sine cos will come in this particular problem, we may have cos, cot, secant, cosecant terms also in trigonometric cases. So the operator form of this particular problem is capital D square plus 4 into y. So therefore, in the first step, we need to write the auxiliary equation. In the operator form, we need to replace d is equal to m. I will get the auxiliary equation is m square plus 4 is equal to 0. The root is imaginary. After simplifying this, I will get the root plus or minus 2i. Here alpha is 0, beta is equal to 2. So therefore, the complementary function is e power 0x, that become 1. The first constant instead of a, b, I am using here c1, c2. That is the only difference. c1 into cos beta x plus c2 into sin beta x. Here beta is equal to 2. So let us have is in the form of c dot f is equal to c1 into f1 plus c2 into f2. This is the formula. So here I am having f1 value cos 2x and f2 value sin 2x. Let us move on p dot I. P dot I formula is here p f1 plus q f2. So I am finding p and q value at first. So for that I need to find the Wronskian value. So for Wronskian, I need to know what is f1, f2, f1 dash, f2 dash. F1, I need to pick f1, f2 from the complementary function itself. After taking this, I need to find the corresponding derivative value. Cos 2x differentiation minus 2 sin 2x. Sin 2x differentiation 2 times of cos 2x. So now Wronskian is equal to f1, f2 dash minus f2 into f1 dash. So I am substituting all those values. After taking the common 2 out, I will get inside cos square 2x plus sin square 2x. This value become 1. So at finally w is equal to 2. That is f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash value is 2. So next I move on p and q values. P is equal to integral f2x by Wronskian. I am going to replace all those values in this particular formula. Here capital X is given a RHS function, that is 4 times of tan 2x. Integral f2 sin 2x, capital X 4 into tan 2x by 2. I cannot integrate this. So therefore, I am expanding this tan 2x, that is sin 2x by cos 2x. Sin into sin is sin square by cos 2x. 4 by 2 become 2. So sin square, here also I cannot integrate this particular one. So I am using the corresponding trigonometric for sin square, that is 1 minus cos square. Next, I am separating this as like 1 by cos 2x minus cos square 2x by cos 2x. 1 by cos 2x become secant 2x. Cos square by cos is cos. So therefore, in the next step, I am having minus 2 times of integral secant 2x minus integral cos 2x. Integral of secant ax formula is 1 by a into log of secant ax plus tan ax. In place of a, I am having 2. Sin cos integration formula is plus sign. So therefore, sin 2x, cos 2x becomes sin 2x by 2. So after cancel out the outside 2, in the both term denominator inside I am having 2. So both are getting cancelled with the outside 2. So finally, I move on this minus inside. The second term getting positive, the logarithmic into minus sign. So therefore, P dot I is equal to this particular, P is equal to this particular one. Next we move on Q. Q formula is here. So next I am going to substitute all those values, whatever we are having in this formula. So next I am having cos 2x into 4 into tan 2x by 2. Here I am opening this tan 2x. I will get sin by cos. Cos getting cancelled. Remaining I am having only sin 2x. 4 by 2 become 2. Sin 2x differentiation value minus cos 2x by 2. Outside I am having 1, 2. Both are getting cancelled. So therefore, I will get the final answer is Q is equal to minus cos 2x. So next we move on particular integral, that is equal to P into F1 plus Q into F2. So I am substituting all those values here. P is nothing but this whole thing. F1 is cos 2x, Q is minus cos 2x and F2 is sin 2x. After multiplying this cos 2x inside, the first and last term getting cancelled, I will get the remaining value is minus cos 2x into this logarithmic. And finally, I am going to write the complete solution, that is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Y is equal to complementary function is here plus the particular integral value whatever I am having in the previous step. I am going to add together. I will get the general solution. So next problem, d square plus 2d plus 5 is equal to e power minus x into tan x. Here I am using the MVP method. So first I am writing the auxiliary equation for this f of d. I am replacing d is equal to m. Here I cannot able to factorize directly. So therefore I am using the quadratic formula. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 5. After replacing it, simplification gives the roots are minus 1 plus or minus 2i. Here alpha is equal to minus 1. Beta is equal to 2. So therefore, after substituting alpha beta into the formula, the complementary function becomes e power minus x into this whole thing. Here I cannot able to pick f1, f2 value. So that's why I'm multiplying this exponential with inside. So c1 into e power minus x into cos 2x plus c2 into e power minus x into sin 2x. Now we have f1 is e power minus x into cos 2x, f2 is e power minus x into sin 2x. So therefore, the corresponding derivatives in each term having multiplicative x terms. So therefore, I need to use the product rule. f1 dash is equal to, I'm just keep e power minus x, differentiating cos 2x, it will give minus 2 times of sin 2x. Plus cos 2x into e power minus x become minus e power minus x. f2 dash, e power minus x into sin 2x differentiation 2 times of cos 2x plus sin 2x into e power minus x differentiation minus e power minus x. So finally, I am going to replace all those things into f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash formula. After simplifying this, when I am multiplying e power x into e power minus x into e power minus x, it will be e power minus 2x. So after simplifying the whole thing, I will get finally 2 into e power minus 2x into cos square 2x plus sin square 2x. This value become 1. At last, I am getting the Wronskian value 2 into e power minus 2x. Let us move on to the p. P is equal to the formula we are having here. I am going to replace all those values into this particular formula. I will get e power minus x into sin 2x, e power minus x into tan x by 2 into e power minus 2x. The numerator e power minus x, e power minus x getting cancelled with the denominator e power minus 2x. And finally, integral sin 2x into tan x. I cannot integrate this particular one. So therefore, I am applying the trigonometric formula for each term. Sin 2x become 2 times of sin x cos x. Tan x is sin by cos. So here cos getting cancelled. Sin into sin is sin square. So this 2 get cancelled with the outside 1 by 2. Sin square formula is, because why I am applying formula for sin square, I cannot integrate the trigonometric square. Sine square become 1 minus cos 2x by x. Now I am integrating this. 1 by 2 into dx is 1 by 2 times of x minus cos 2x by 2. So that value is cos 2x is sine 2x by, again one more 2 is there. So therefore totally I will get 4. So in this previous steps I'm having minus here, that is missing in this particular one. So therefore this is correct answer. So Q formula is here. I'm replacing all those values into this Q formula. So here also the numerator and denominator exponential terms getting cancelled. Cos 2x into tan x. Cos 2x formula is 2 into cos square x minus 1. Tan x expansion sine by cos. I'm multiplying these two terms. I will get 2 times of cos square x into sine by cos. 1 time cos getting cancelled. 2 into cos x into sine x. That is sine 2x obviously. Sine 2x integration gives minus cos 2x by 2. Minus of integral 1 into this particular sine x by cos x. This integration value is log of cos x. And finally, P dot I formula is P into F1 plus Q into F2. So this is our P value into F1 plus the whole thing is Q value into F2 is e power minus x into sine 2x. So the general solution is complementary function plus particular integral. I'm just adding this to, I will get the general case of the given problem. Thank you.